This is the Torx 15 long screwdriver with which we can open the Macintosh Plus. Here are the screws to be unscrewed to open the Macintosh Plus. Here at the top, barely visible, you can see 2 holes where there are 2 screws. After that, there are 2 screws at the bottom. And finally, a screw that can be seen by removing the backup battery door. The screw found by removing the backup battery door. The 2 screws located at the bottom near the various connections of the Macintosh Plus. Finally, we unscrew the 2 screws located in the upper part, where the handle for carrying the Macintosh Plus is located. This is what you see once you remove the Macintosh Plus case. This Macintosh Plus model has an additional video card to connect another monitor.
Think of all the power on this earth. The power of nature and human endurance. The power of spirit and speed and determination. And then realize that of all this power, none is more potent than the power that resides within the minds of us all. The power to learn, to communicate, to imagine.